Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the surface ready. Remove corrosion and grease so the protector seats properly. Use a brush and a mild baking soda solution. Rinse and dry fully. Once done, test fit the protector without forcing it. Confirm size and orientation. If it's a snap style, align the hinge. If clamp style, check bolt clearance. Make sure you keep the terminal free of debris so the protective material bonds or snaps on cleanly, and so electrical contact stays reliable. Now you secure the protector in place. Position it so the cable exits in the intended direction and the protector covers the terminal fully. Tighten clamps or snap together until snug. Do not over-torque, because distortion reduces protection. Once seated, squeeze a thin film of dielectric grease or corrosion inhibitor into the cavity. This reduces moisture and improves conductivity. Confirm the protector does not pinch wires and that any fastener heads remain accessible for future service. Finish by testing. Check continuity and tug the cable gently to confirm a secure mechanical fit. Inspect routing. Make sure the harness is away from exhaust heat, sharp edges, and moving suspension or steering parts. Once satisfied, recheck fasteners after a short drive. If the protector won't seat properly, do not force it. Try the next size or add a thin insulating shim to stabilize fit. This prevents cracking and ensures long-term protection. That one precaution solves most installation failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.